the foldable ZTE Axon M launched on AT&T first, that was in November. Today, ZTE held a ceremony at the 258 meters tall Olympic Tower in Beijing to announce that the M will be available in China very soon, January 20th. Locals will be able to snag the unit online from ZTE.com and JD.com. Offline, China Telecom stores will be carrying the dual-screen device. ZTE Axon M launches in China this Saturday, comes to Europe by the end of the quarter. Later this quarter, January to March, the ZTE Axon M will come to Europe as well. It will be available on Vodafone, TIM and other leading carriers. More names should be named, prices too, as we get closer to the launch. This phone earned ZTE's 2018 Innovation Award, and the company wants to build more foldable phones.